Plymouth Roadrunner. This car was part of a private collection, locally owned. This car is, at some point in life, rotisserie restored. Willwood brakes front and rear. Has the air grabber hood. Has a Tech fuel injection system. Try to get the hood pop there. Lots of billet items under the hood, battery tray, hood hinges, vacuum operated air intake, Tech fuel injection, serpentine belt system, Roadrunner horn, Mickey Thompson tires front and rear. Four-speed transmission. Good looking, good running car. A couple other videos on our website. Not restored as a show car, restored as a driver. A good driver at that. Multiple others on the website, Challengers, Chargers, Bandit Trans Am, and a couple others. Call if you got any questions. Thanks.